Welcome, good people of YouTube. Today, we're going to solve a problem that I have. I don't know if you guys have it, but I hate when I'm in the shower and I either got to set my beer on the ground, get soap in it, or I got to find a high place. It's not good. So today, we already got them cut up. I'm going to make some nice oak shower caddies to hold your beer. It'll stick on the wall with some suction cups. It'll open up and then it'll reveal a little thing in there with a hole cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to route out all the insides of both of these, and we're going to try this thick stuff. I don't know if I want it to be this thick, but we'll see. I have some thinner stuff. We'll see what we can do. If I can make it thinner, we'll make a couple of them. Because I also hate when I'm brushing my teeth and the wife's stuff is all over the bathroom. Where do you set your beer when you're brushing your teeth? I mean, you need a place. So if I stick one to the mirror, do some time lapse. You guys can watch me route. Alright, as you can see, got it routed out there. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, do the next one. I'm going to go like that to open up. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do a few more out of the skinnier stuff because I think that's going to work better. It just look better. It's just too thick. We'll do a few. I'll get everything mocked up and then I'll bring you guys back in. Alright, bring you guys back in here for a bit. Kind of change directions on what we're doing. Still the same thing, just different. Maybe we'll make more later, but this is what I start out with. You would open it, and then that would flip up, kind of thing. Maybe I'll get that later, but I don't really have, I guess, the hinges. I just using good duct tape. Maybe we'll come back to that one, but what we did is we went to this little one. It is still duct tape. Now what we're going to do, we have shower beer mate. It's going to go on the wall. It'll flip down, look like that. You just set your beer on it. Not going to be holding it or anything. We're just trying this. We're going to make a couple things to get our heads wrapped around what we want to do, and then move on from there. So we got a little bit of a hinge so that can sit there. It opens. And then you set your beer on it, and on the back we'll carve out some things for these suction cups to sit, and that's what'll stick to your bathroom. In order to have things stick, got a couple magnets here. We'll drill those in, and that's what'll boop, stick it there. So we're gonna try some new things that I have. Here we go. I don't know if this is going to work. I've never used it before. They're pyro markers, whatever. When you heat them up, they end up burning in. So we'll get this gun going. Okay, we'll peel off the layer. Shower beer mate. We're gonna see if these work. I've used them once. They didn't work that well, but we're gonna try it. I don't know if it dries, if it doesn't work as well. So we're going to try to get as much on there as we can. Hopefully it doesn't bleed out past the sticker. And I just use my Cricut for all this. There's plenty of other people who do better videos on Cricut, so you can look at those. Okay, now the pen's really coming out. I'm not sure why, but like all the directions on this were like Chinese and crap. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if we're supposed to let it dry a little bit. I don't even know if this is how you're supposed to use it. But we'll peel up the plastic and then we'll burn it, or just heat it up, I guess. Okay, it doesn't look too awful. Yeah. Shit. Well, the A goofed up, but whatever. We're just gonna try it, see what happens. Heat it up. It's going hot. It's supposed to burn in just with a heat gun. I think maybe I should have let it dry a little bit. Again, you guys are just coming along for the ride for the fun. Yeah, that cut out too. Maybe we'll do some different ones, but we're just going to try what this looks like. There, that looks terrible. We're just going to go with it for now. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill little holes for the magnets to stick. And I'll bring you back in for the router to route the little holes for here. Alright, so I wiped it down with some wipe-on poly. The burning thingamajig didn't really work, but whatever. So what I did, there's duct tape here. There's a magnet there now that holds it together. It'll sit like that on your shower. You set your beer there, nothing to hold it, but whatever. We're spitballing here. That'll hold it up. So what I did to reinforce this duct tape hinges is I stuck a lot of cyanoacrylate in there, and closed it and opened it and closed it until it just stuck to where the duct tape is. And that should last for a couple showers until we figure out, we'll build more, we'll see what happens. So now I gotta go ahead and route out the backs after this dries. I'll route the backs out so the suction cups can just sit in there. And then we'll have something to stick in your shower so you can have a beer, or in your mirror when you're brushing your teeth. I mean, women like all their makeup all over the counter, so I want to be able to have my beer up and away as I'm brushing my teeth for the night. Alright, so I was trying to keep this video short. I will. I don't think I'm going to do the cleanup part because I'm not sure if I'm done out here. That project, it just wasn't there, right? So we'll see. Next clip, you'll see the finished video of it. If I know how to edit stuff, you'll see it all finished. It works out, I guess. There's a lot of things that can be done. I like to build prototypes, figure out where I'm at, and then he tells me what to do. We can figure out better stuff. So here's the next clip, but we'll see you guys. I drink and I make stuff. All right, this was an absolute train wreck of a project. Short, sweet, hopefully. Gotta try to keep it under 10 minutes. We got the shower mate crap. Opens up because we got magnets. I routed out the back. Squeeze down a thingy in there. We're going to see if it holds a nice beer. Okay. It sticks. It opens. And it holds a beer. Not that well, but it holds a beer. Now let's say your wife's got crap all over and you want to brush your teeth. Where do you put your beer? Right there. Now you can brush your teeth. Not have to worry about your beer being all over the makeup. And that is today's absolutely horrible project.